Oh man, oh man, oh man. I have been on a roll today. Thanks to Dawn at Focus Bubbles and the crew of amazing ladies that showed up this morning for our first ever YYC Fempreneur Focus Bubble event. It was a free co-working session where we got to see each other, talk a little bit about what we're working on, support each other, and then just crush some serious work. So if you missed that, don't miss the next one. It was awesome. So I have just been on a roll ever since. So I want to show you what I've been working on. So I've updated the free planner. So it's actually a daily focus journal. Sorry, not planner. Take that back. The free daily focus journal and the weekly accelerator. So this is an all-in-one tool that you can download for free. It's in this email. If you've clicked on this video link from the email, if you are watching this video on Instagram, you have it in your email inbox if you're on the YYC Fempreneurs email list. If you don't, then all you need to do is join our email list, and this bad boy, as well as one other freebie, is going to be in your email inbox instantaneously after you click that submit button. So I want to get these free gifts to you if you don't have them yet. I also want to help you create stuff like this for your audience. It's really been the key to my success as someone who is building and serving a community. You've got to find out what they need. You've got to build them the stuff they need. And then when people are asking you the same question all the time, like for example, I get asked a lot how I get so much shit done in a day. I have created tools to kind of guide people through the systems and processes that have helped me drop the ball less and get more done and just feel better about the things that I'm working on, knowing that they're in line with my ultimate big goals. So I want you to have this stuff. I want to help you build this stuff. So be sure to check out the new 90-day program. That's actually the other freebie when you join the email list. And it's also in this email if you're already a community member. The new freebie is the 90-day planner PDF. So it's it's many pages. It's 256 pages. So if you don't want to download and print it and you want to just go and buy a copy, it is on Amazon. This actually will be on Amazon too as well. It'll be 12 weeks of journal entry pages. So it'll have those 5 weekly ones like that you complete one a day during the week, and then it'll have that one that you complete every week, which is the weekly accelerator page. So I want you to have all of this stuff, and I want you to check out the new 90-day program that will follow the plan that's outlined in the planner. So the 90-day planner and the 90-day program go hand in hand. If you do decide to join the 90-day program, which starts January 2nd, you're going to get a copy of that mailed to you from moi with some bonus gifts tucked into the envelope. So the first thing you're going to do is join the wait list for that program. And that program, you don't have to pay for it. You just need to join the wait list. And then if you decide it's right for you, and I decide it's right for you, we have to agree on that, then you can pay for it and you can be in the program. And there will only be 8 women in the program. So learn more about all of this stuff. And thank you so much to those of you who are watching this, who are also at the Focus Bubble this morning. I want to see all of you at the YYC Fempreneurs Christmas Party, December 2nd. So go and check that out at yycfempreneurs.com/events. And I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. Bye for now.